Go on YouTube. Let's see how many people we get in here. Wait, let me move this right here. Perfect. Boom. Did that. Okay. Send that off. Go to YouTube. Pull up the chat. And let's see if people are. All right. What up? What up? All right, bro. What's up, G? Those 12K were insane. What are you talking about? I won't be able to eat for the next 2 days due to NFP. Bro, why did you full port NFP? Are you kidding me, bro? Why would you ever full port NFP? What's wrong with you? I just woke up, guys. I had a crazy dream that I was in longs during NFP and like I just got waked out. Crazy dream, bro. It felt so real. It's crazy. Anyways, going into today, we have a 4-hour that we're trading currently inside, and also a 1-hour. These are the gray ones. Everything else is just a 5 or 15 minute that I haven't marked out. Obviously, news was bearish, so I want to see us either, continue down lower. Looking at the daily time frame, obviously, I feel like we can go towards these wick lows right here. These could be our targets. To the downside. To the upside, we have a lot of room, obviously, based on, price just dumping because of news. So we'll probably validate our bias off of this gap, see how we play off of this gap and this 4-hour. Looking to take a trade around these two gaps for longs if, we reverse towards these highs, because we still have Asia and London highs left to take out. But, we will see today. Obviously, like, news just that's the move for news. I did $500. No, not bad, I guess. Did you make money or did you lose money? I said, bro, there's this guy named Zayn, bro. He's a fucking retard. Can I even say that on live? I don't know. Someone named Zayn Malo told me this. Yeah, bro, that guy, don't listen to him, bro. See, if you like came like to me on my streams on YouTube, you get a different person, where I actually focus on trading here, not full porting degen shit. I made money. Let's go, Elliot. Let's go. I'm happy for you, bro. At least someone made money. No, in all honestly, did it all for fun. Obviously, you guys know I don't trade like that. And it was just fun. I woke up mad early for it, super excited for it. Yes, it didn't play out my way, but whatever. We live and we learn. But yeah, ending the week, obviously. Good morning, Tris. This is gonna be the last training session for today, for this week. The whole week, I didn't take a single trade Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yesterday we got break even, and then today we'll see. So today is either we end the day up or down, or break even again. But as market opens, we're still trading inside this 4-hour. We just tested this 5-minute gap that we have marked out. As you can see right here, obviously I'm not looking to force anything today because, news already made such an impact on the market. But we just have to go. We just have to see. I entered with 2 micros at first and it got filled. Added 20 micros, was 2 points away from TP and lost 2K because I let it do its thing. Damn, that sucks. I promise you, I'm gonna redo it on CPI. CPI is gonna be way better. And honestly, I love like making videos about it. Is so fun to me. Just content. I know it's like I'm making sure like everyone should know that you shouldn't risk money or accounts that you actually care about. That's why I'm going in solely with the purpose that whoever is in the stream, it's just doing it for fun. That's why I did those streams, y'all. Y'all know how I trade every single day. Every single morning on YouTube. Y'all know how I trade, and it's not that. I'm genuinely very, very patient when it comes to trading my actual setups. But yeah, this is the 4 hours that I'm talking about right here. We kind of tested this 1 hour gap. Didn't really tap into it yet, but bro, seeing everyone lose like 10K plus was so funny. I lost the kids in the house. No, I genuinely couldn't stop laughing. I felt so bad, but at the same time, like we knew that was a possibility, you know. So like whoever full ported and just legit thought that this was going to work 100% of the time. Literally think about it. If it really was that easy, everybody would be trading and everybody would be making money. I think we take 4 hour lows. Yeah. I want to see us do something at least. Like I said, no A+ setups. I'm not gonna take anything today. I don't want to ruin my day. It's already kind of did get ruined. I later said watch this shit dumb too. Yeah, honestly, I meant to go long on gold, guys. Come on. If you look at gold, bro, gold ripped. Gold ripped. With no wick, no nothing. I should have traded gold. Maybe that's the strat. For next NFP, we might just have to trade gold. I love being emotional. We're all human, bro. We're gonna have emotional. We're gonna have emotions. We're also in this 15-minute. Trading inside this 15-minute as we speak. There's just so much happening. Bro, mornings, what up, Fishy? Does gold move on CPI? It does. And I might have to, back test it before next week. And hopefully, next time we actually pass accounts. Because, CPI, we did pass accounts. Same with, I'll say, just this NFP. We just got super unlucky, honestly. That's what it was. Did your London low get taken out? Well, Ben. Oh, or like, okay, you're talking about right here. No, it didn't get taken out. For some reason, my London low is over here. But I know what you mean. Technically, like, this is London low. Yeah, we did take it out, look. Technically. But my bias, honestly, I just want to see a lot of buys come up. If possible, take out these highs up here. Been following your Insta for a bit, so decided to join your Discord and now here. Yes, sir. Welcome in, bro. Bet, bro, I don't want to make the same mistake. No, you're good. It's genuinely, bro, I had so much fun on that stream. I had 100 people with me. That was so fun. And I definitely want to do it again. And I'll probably bring it back for CPI. But, yet again, if I do it again, guys, it's all for fun. I don't actually condone it. Don't full pour your actual accounts, guys. It's really stupid. But for shits and giggles, just you gotta have some fun trading. There's so many traders that are just so like serious about trading and stuff. I'm here to make it fun. Okay, I'm here to make it fun. But we're in so many gaps. I have to delete some of these. Okay, so we obviously know we're in a 4 hour, so I can get rid of that. We're inside a 15-minute, which, matters more. There we go. Boom. Perfect. Still trading inside that 4 hour, by the way. We have 28 people in here. Bro, my London low is 909. 909. Where's 909? Oh, right here. Yeah, it kind of makes sense. This is pre-market, yeah. Well, we're about to take it out. Is that yours? For my indicator is all the way up here, bro. It says we been took out London lows, but I get what you mean. I will go off of it 614 as well. Because we still have resting 1 hour. We also have these wick lows, these 4 hour wicks right here that we can also take out. So we have a lot of, room for price to move today. True London low is 612. Yeah, about to take it out. There we go. London low got to take out, guys. Tabs into this 1 hour. Now we legit have no other overnight lows to get taken out. If you keep on continuing down, I want to see how we react with this fair value gap, this 1 hour. Also this 4 hour that we're currently trading in. And then we'll make a decision on what we want to trade for the day. But the amount of it needs to place down probably will, honestly. I don't see us not continuing this trend. We can honestly continue it. But I just need to see confirmations, honestly. One of the confirmations would be this 1 hour and the 4 hour that we're currently in. I want to see how we, end up. But you go on my Instagram, guys. Go on my comments. People are gonna hate. I love it. I love that, bro. Yo, let's short it all. Hey, if I don't mind shorting today. Yo, how do I do for the money that I make in Tradeovate? See and reflect on my account of Tradeify. Tradeify dashboard will update by the end of the day, so it's not gonna fully update. So whatever your Tradeovate balance is, it's gonna stay that way until 5 p.m. and then Tradeify will automatically update itself because it's end of day. So don't worry about that. Just focus on the Tradeovate account and the balance because that's what truly matters. But I have 30 people in this live. I want to start hosting more of those streams in the Discord, bro. Genuinely was surprised 100 people showed up. Saw the shorts, but the close was horrible, so I didn't take it. Yeah. Like I said, guys, today is all about being patient, honestly. Being patient, yo. We got our dopamine out the way, which was full boarding NFP. Got it out the way. Now, we actually trade. See how this 1 hour holds up. I mean 1 minute, not 1 hour, my bad. We seem to respect this 4 hour that we're in, yo. We seem to respect it. I genuinely cannot wait to get off a stream and read all the comments on my videos. It's going to be so funny. Everyone's like, oh, news did the complete opposite of what bro said. I don't control the news, bro. What do you want me to do? I'm 100% running it back on CPI with one more eval. Couldn't care about it. Yeah, exactly. That's all it's for, bro. We tapped in this 1 hour and we're seeing a crazy reaction. If you could close, above this 4 hour and not, disrespect this gap right here, we could go for some longs. But I just don't feel like taking anything here just because we're in so many gaps right now. So many higher time frame. I was 300 away from blowing my US, so I just said, fuck it, yeah. Makes sense. I remember listening to Z for news once and blowing 7 evals back in the Discord live days. Yeah. Don't ever trade news with your actual account, please. It's super, super bad. And people that genuinely can't pass their evals and only rely on full boarding, they gotta reevaluate their trading because that's not how trading should be. Gonna look for longs after you close above the 2 15-minute fair value gaps. Yep. CPI method remains unpatched. Yeah, it is unpatched. And we're going to pass accounts on CPI. Don't worry. And there might be another giveaway. More giveaways with, growth accounts. Honestly, this is a monthly thing I can do every every month. I'm not saying I was being the smartest, but I was trying to make the largest. Yeah. I know, Fishy. I know you came a long way, Fishy. I'm actually proud of you, bro. You're actually patient now. That's why I love my day ones, man. I see y'all come up from where y'all started to now where y'all at. Makes me happy, man. No risk, no Rari. Yeah, that's it. But yeah, no, I want to do a trade recap for this week, but genuinely, I mean, if you don't take a trade today, I've took one trade this week and it was a break even trade. Whenever market just doesn't move the way you want it to move, just don't take a trade. Simple as that. Nothing, no one is holding a gun to my head to take a trade right now. So, but yeah, in terms of news for the rest of the day, we have no more news. Everything happened at 8:30. So we can get rid of that. For next week though, let's see. Y'all see what I'm seeing next week? Wednesday? I have the whole weekend to milk it and juice up CPI and have another stream next week. Plus, we have a lot of news for the rest of the week. So, next week is going to be good. Shucks, man, it's been a ride. It's so nostalgic, especially looking back and remembering that I was supposed to be making it with my bros and not making it with my new bros on Discord. Love y'all. I love you too, bro. Taking 2 trades this whole week. Yeah, I don't blame you, Sean. It's not the best conditions to take a trade, bro. Asia has been moving a lot better than New York, in my opinion. Where do you find news that can influence the market, and also how do you know what certain news influences? So there's this website. It's called Forex Factory. You filter it out to just orange and red folders because if you hover over it, it says high impact on red news, and orange news is medium, yellow is low, white means it's like bank holiday and stuff. So I look at this before any day I start trading. Just want to make sure that there's no news around the time that I want to trade. For example, like yesterday we had 10 a.m. news on Wednesday, and I don't like to be in a trade when news is coming out. So around 10 a.m. I would make sure that I'm cash, and then just wait for the reaction from the news and then trade off that. So that is one really, really beneficial tool that I use every single day of my trading. Z, look at my last question before what Fishy said. Fishy, my goat. Wait, Z, do you flip at all on your funders to get trading this? Because I don't. I don't know if I should. I do. If there is a stupid amount of balance in my account and I just have to flip to get a payout, I will flip it. I've been flipping on some of my other accounts. Not my Trade Flash, but I'm about to get moved to live on those accounts actually. I'm still deciding if I want to go live with those accounts or do I blow them? Because right now they're at like 53K. So I literally just need 3 more days and I get another payout. And after 5 payouts, they move you to live. So I don't know. Plus, it's not their biggest account, so I don't have the biggest buffer moving into live. And I don't know if I could get back on sim if I go to live. So it's just all up in the air for me. You ever trade live accounts from props? I'm supposed to, well, there was this firm that banned me because they were trying to move me to live, and I'm still haven't heard back from them. They're still reviewing me. I don't know how that works. And then this is the second prop that, every time I'm getting close to going live, I just blow my accounts. Intentionally sometimes, and sometimes unintentionally it happens. But honestly, going live with a firm is not that bad at all. Yeah, not gonna lie, you should stream at the night and afternoon too. I used to stream night, like gold when I used to trade gold at night. I used to stream that on Twitch. So if I ever start trading gold or NQ at night, I'll be on YouTube here or in the Discord. Bro, they've been reviewing you for like 73 months now. Yeah, no, reviewing. I'm never getting back on that firm, basically. That firm single-handedly, is the reason why I have to pay a lot in taxes this year. But yeah, guys. First 15 minutes of the market, super indecisive. This 15-minute candle does not look good. Basically, what I'm saying is we're gonna sit on our hands until price picks a direction. Yep, that firm. Yep, I don't want to say their name, but yep. You know what I dislike about YouTube Live? What is it? There's like a small delay. That's the one thing I don't like about YouTube. But obviously you have to think about it like it's going from OBS to YouTube. It takes a little bit. Before though, it had like a 15-second delay. I had to get rid of that. But holy, 35 people in here. Welcome in, guys. This is the most I've had. If you guys are new, subscribe to the channel. I'm always live here every single morning now because I'm trying to grow my YouTube. Or else I would be live in the Discord. We sliming you after that full pour? Bro. I don't know, bro. Y'all full. I did a full pour. I don't know what y'all talking about, bro. I just woke up to trade in New York, you know? I literally just woke up to trade New York. I don't know what y'all talking about. See, I will get you in at BTC bottom. Yeah, I need Bitcoin in my portfolio. Please let me know. Facts, I already booked my flight to Tampa. Holding on the spot. I got you. Sean, genuinely come to Tampa, bro. I want to meet you. It'll be fun. But yeah, that's literally the only reason why I go live on YouTube is because it's so easy for me to grow my channel if I go live every single morning. So even though I don't like it that much, I kind of have to go live on YouTube. And then if I went live on YouTube and Discord at the same time, people would just join the Discord and not the YouTube. So negative $85 for the reset fee. Well, it's okay. The next account that you're gonna get that reset, hold it for CPI. My alter ego might full port CPI again, and the CPI method is unpassed. Okay, this was my first time actually trading NFP. CPI method is unpassed, and we know this. I passed my account last time. Can I come to Tampa, Sean, brother? Both of y'all, Fishy and Sean, both of y'all come. Doctor Who, definitely an OG. Yeah, Doctor Who, you can come to Tampa too, bro. Everybody that's OG, y'all have a spot in my place, bro. Anytime, y'all let me know. I love y'all, man. But yeah, gold is consolidating. NQ doesn't have a direction. ES is trying to pick a direction. ES looks a lot better than NQ, whether it comes to picking a direction. Obviously heading towards the lows. NQ is just up in the air. Even me, of course, LH, you can pull up too, bro. If I make double this month what I made last month, I'll come to Tampa. How much are we talking? How much are we targeting? You don't have to say if you don't want to. Once I get that payout, I'm insta LARPing on that balcony. Yeah, go for it, bro. Everybody does it. I'm about to have a baby in here in like 4 weeks. His first word's gonna be NQ and inversion fair value gap. Yo, some strategies for gold. I used to just trade orb for gold, basically at 8 p.m. whenever the volume kicks in at nighttime. Whichever direction, gold decides, which is, we retest some highs, retest some lows. I will just wait for a retest and just ride the trend. And it used to work. But now gold doesn't really move that much. Yo, Fishy, can I ask you a big favor, bro? The first reel or TikTok that your baby ever sees, can it please be me? Please. That'll be an honor. The baby won't remember anything. I would, though. I will. Big SMT at lows. Yes. Big SMT at lows. Look at this, guys. Look at. We have a bullish SMT, guys. We have a bullish SMT. I was watching NQ history and it moves very much at 8 p.m. too. It does. It has been moving more so and picking a direction in the Asia than it does in New York. Dad, who this weird man talking about color for candles? I got you, bro. Yes, bro. Does he royalties in the court and space? Yes, of course. His name has to be S-Face JR though. Wait, it's a he, right? Yeah, it's a he. Okay. Yeah. Fishy Jr. always welcomed in the court. Lifetime premium. But yeah, do y'all have anything planned for the weekend? Anything fun? I honestly love the weekend, bro. I could sleep in as much as I want. No trading, no stress, nothing. It's honestly amazing. Bro, look at what is this, a 5 minute I'm looking at on Trade-of-8? Yo, this 5 minute is ugly, yo. No one should be trading this right now, y'all. Do not trade this. This is bad. Wait for Monday like usual. Hope PA is better. Yeah. I used to do that on my weekends. And then I got a life. I'm just kidding, Sean. Just watching your road to profitability videos. Hell yeah, Christian. Let's go. Knock them out, bro. It's like 6 minutes around there. Around 6 to 10 minutes per video. 42 videos. A lot of education. Mostly it focuses on your psychology because I've always said it. It's 90% of your trading is your psychology. You can look at a chart, but the way you look at it compared to how I look at it is completely different. It's just your habits. So if you start with that, build a good formation or like a foundation, it'll only get better. All right, let's see. I love you, Sean. Don't worry. I'm 500 positive on the eval. Should I trade again afternoon? I honestly, if price is moving really good, go for it. If not, you have to wait for literally an A+ setup because you're already up on the day. Usually me, if I'm already up on the day, I call it there. I don't want to give any of my profits back. But if it's a really, really good setup, an A+ setup, go for it. But yeah, this PA is looking like seek and destroy, y'all. Literally looking like seek and destroy. It's just wicking up and down, up and down, up and down. I hope we can pick a direction by 10 a.m. If not, by like 10:30, I'll call it. Call it for the week. Go on by my day. Want some ball knowledge? The best loser wins. Trading in the zone. The disciplined trader. Those books in that order. Ooh. I might have to. No, actually, I don't have any books on trading. I have like self-help books, like Atomic Habits. What was the other one? The purple one, bro. They're in my living room. Honestly, kind of use them as decorations. I'm not gonna lie. Haven't read them in a long time, but I still have them. But what do they talk about mostly in those books, Fishy? Is it psychology? Hold on. Oh my god, guys. Yo, I have 29 comments on my videos. This is going to be, I just know there's going to be so much hate. Oh my god, this is going to be insane. Hold on. Bro, it worked fine for me. The market let's do the opposite of what the majority thought. You're not alone, okay? Just passed with NFP. Blew my account over. Matt, bro. Legit got wicked out by the same BS. Bro, it's so funny because people are commenting under my old videos where I'm like, oh, like I can't wait to pass this. I can't wait to pass this. It's fun. I love it. It's helping my channel out, so I could care less. Performative final boss. The best loser wins. Changed my entire mindset about trading. They're all about the psychology of trading. Yeah. The fact that 98% of people fail at trading, so to succeed, you must either think like the 2% or opposite of the 98%, and no, they're not the same. That's some ball knowledge right there. I'm not going to lie. There's a reason why there's only a small percent. And it's kind of true what they're saying. Yeah, you got to do the opposite of what everyone else is doing in order to succeed. Simple as that. If everyone is, just trading any second they can get, not being, patient about their trades, looking to trade every single day, do the opposite. That's ball knowledge. I might have to get that book. I'm definitely intrigued. I'm gonna see you in Tampa one day, my boy. Trust me. Oh, of course, bro. We could plan something out. Just let me know. I'm always open to meeting up with y'all, bro. I love y'all. Y'all literally sit here, support me every single day. The least I can do is literally meet up with y'all. Have a good time, And the fact that I've always wanted to stream and make videos and stuff growing up, I saw so many streamers make it out because they just stream, they whatever. Never had the equipment to do it. Didn't really know what to stream. Trading kind of is boring, but I try to make fun out of it. And the fact that I get constant viewers every single morning is I'm just so blessed for it. Yeah, I'm doing that. I'm doing just one contract per trade. How the different work in more than one contract? It's just more risk. You're just risking more if you trade more than one contract. Actually, I can show you real quick. Futures. Okay. For example, I'm hoping you're trading the micros. So, let's say you enter and you get 2 points on one micro. You're making $4. Now, if let's say you decide to risk with 2 contracts, you get $8. The more you go up, the more you make, but at the same time, you can also lose. So it's all about risk management. That's all it is. Name of the game. Ball knowledge. In order to be successful with trading, you must be more disciplined than ever before. The more financial free, the more disciplined in yourself you must be. Otherwise, you'll implode. Yeah, your own brain, your own mind plays games with you, bro. In trading, it's the craziest thing. So much hidden truths in the book. I might have to pick one up, bro, and just read over the weekend and stuff. Because there's been times in my trading where I legit just started crashing out, bro. Because I'm like, nothing is working. I don't think I can do this. So many doubts. But you somehow always come back to it. Always come back to trading for some reason. And it's insane, because I genuinely did not know what I was going to do with my life. Did not want to go to college for anything. Had no interest in anything else. And then out of nowhere, I saw a dream. Z asked me for $1,000 and then gave me back $50,000 in 3 months. It was a social experiment, bro. You passed. Congratulations. All right, looking like we finally are picking a direction. Both NQ and ES are moving the same way. We did inverse this 15-minute. I'm just waiting for a closure, honestly, to solidify the trend. Maybe we take an entry around 787. If not, I can always wait till 9. I can send you a link to a PDF of the entire book of Trading in the Zone, but you'll have to buy The Best Loser Wins. I couldn't find it online for free. Yeah, I mean, that would be amazing, bro. Honestly, I feel like PDF for me, it probably won't work. I'll probably have to get the physical book. I can never do audiobooks or anything like that. I have to have the physical book for me to read. But I mean, I'll check it out. Like, I'll read a little bit of it. If I really like it, I'll go buy all the books. We're pumping, yes sir. So in those trades that I get more than one contract, the stop loss that says for all of them, yes. If you're in with 4 micros, you're risking 4 micros, and your stop loss is going to be based on how much price goes off the 4 micros. So let's say if price goes up 10 points, you're in with 4 micros instead of 1. You're going to be losing or gaining $80 because each micro is $2 per point. There's so much calculation. I mean, the calculator helps you out, but after time, you just have it in your brain. You going long, I'm tailing. Nothing yet, honestly. I'm just waiting for the market to decide. And once we do pick a direction, which it's looking like it's going to be to the longs, honestly. We tapped into this 1 hour. We're reacting off of this 4-hour gap as well. This 4-hour gap closed bullish, actually. Yeah, the new 4-hour candle. We respected this gap right here, as you can see. So that's already a bullish signal. We also tapped into this 1-hour gap. Also respected it. So I'm leaning towards long side today. And I wouldn't be mad if you don't, lose a trade. My bias is, as long as my bias is correct, that's all I care about at the end of the day. All this accumulation right up here, Best way to determine risk and profit is by going to TradingView and adding the limit you want. If it's a long, put a buy limit and then set to SL, and it will tell you how much you're risking. Yep, that's also good. We also sweep Tuesday's lows. Let me see. Tuesday. Yeah. Or wait. No, Tuesday's lows right here. Let me see. Yeah, I mean, I'm heading towards longs, honestly. Nothing yet, but that's definitely my buys going into today now. Longs. It'll be an amazing way to end the day. Green. So I'm hoping for it. Thanks, but I don't really know how to use TradingView. I'll help you out, bro. TradingView is literally the go right here. You can do whatever you want. You can make. Literally, it's your canvas, as I like to say. It's literally your canvas. But no, trust me, Alir. We'll get you right, bro. Don't worry. Because learning trading in the start is literally like learning a new language. But it gets better. It gets easier the more you do it. Like, I remember teaching my dad how to use TradingView, Tradeovate, Project X, everything. Now he just does it by himself. It's crazy. He's probably trading right now as we speak. He texted me if I was okay after I lost my account. I'm like, yeah, Dad, I'm chilling. What happened with Apex? You were rinsing? Yeah, they banned me. Yeah, bro, I feel like I'm learning Japanese. Yeah, it's a whole new language, bro. But the more you work on it, the more you think about it, the more you just experiment, the better it gets. There's only so much you can learn, but oh, I can't talk. You're gonna learn the most by actually, being hands-on with TradingView and trading. That's the best way to do it. You can think about, I would have my stops here and that, but like if you don't actually perform well and you don't actually perform it, nothing's gonna change. So you kind of have to you can't be a practice player basically. today, Junior. But not gonna lie, I love it. Yeah, bro. I wish I could learn trading for the first time again, bro. I wonder like how long it would take me to understand everything if I first started. Because when I first started, dude, I started in 2020. It's been 6 years, and the way the market is moving, the way people are trading now, it's completely different than what we used to trade back in the day. Back in the day, damn, bro, I'm getting old. It's insane. I wish I could go back to the beginning. Now it takes 7 years to get to where I'm at. Yeah, me too, bro. 4 years of just losing, bro. I was sick and tired of it. Yep, they are a scam. Yep, I will stand by that. I started trading 4 years ago, and bro, all we had was chart patterns. Yeah, I remember the bull flags, the bear flags, the head and shoulders. There's still people that trade that way. I mean, if it works, go for it. But I like my fair value gaps. My bro got rinsed for 9K, and all he was shooting for was $800. Wait, what? On like a funded account, or how do you get rinsed for 9K? Dude, look at this price action on the 1 minute, bro. This is bad. I only now consider myself profitable. Haven't gotten payout yet, but my strategy has been vetted. So it's just a matter of time at this point. But done with the days of straight degenerate gambling. Yeah. It gets to a point where you're just sick and tired of it, bro. Like, yeah. Like, going into any trading day, you can be like, oh, I have a 50% chance. I'll either go into longs and it prints, or I'll go into shorts and it prints. When you really think about it, it's not 50-50, bro. There's so much that goes into trading. So that's like the worst way to look at it, honestly. And then you actually, whenever your setup actually shows up, just take the setup. Make sure, like, if the setup is not working, what just happened to my chart? If the setup is not working, just back test it a little bit more, or tweak something out, or it's all about developing your strategy and what you think works, and just rock with it, bro. That's why I cannot wait for this checklist. My indicator. Oh, I gotta get back to him. The emotional roller coaster, making 8K one day and blowing 16K the next. Yeah, I feel like an old man these days. Name it's Aris. Would you take payout off max allocation for your second payout, or just take it after 5 days and being above buffer? I always like to take my payouts. The money looks better in my account than it does in my trading account. I always take the payout. There's been so many times where I try building a buffer and I just end up losing it. Gonna check on it after trading today. Thank you. Alright, well, I gotta do some after trading. Have to work on my indicator, y'all. I'm actually so excited for it. It's gonna help me out more than anybody. Z is the opposite. He risks less and print Ks. I try, bro. I try. I'm in long. If you want to go ahead and just chart it, I entered at 684. Stop loss 585. Trailing my stop every 100 points after we hit 783. Are you how many micros are you trading? Second payout it is. How we do for avoiding tax, you have to get a CPA. Whenever you start making serious money, make sure you have an LLC set up and you have somebody do your taxes for you. If you try doing it yourself, you're gonna get wrecked. Back-to-back wins, bro. I'm gonna join also Ramadan Mubarak, bro. How's your Ramadan going if you fast? I think we're like halfway there. I don't know. Actually, we might have less than 15 days left before Ramadan ends. This month literally flew by, bro. Don't be like old bro Jonathan, 1 in 20 KPI ended up blowing the account after the 18K. Yeah, bro. I will move up 1 micro after I pay out to build confidence. Yeah, that could work. Risking small on your accounts, well, I would never, disagree with that, bro. Risk as small as you want. As long as you catch the full move, not even the full move, the majority of the move and your bias is correct, you're going to print no matter what. Yeah, I tend to fast every week. I grew up in the UAE as a Christian, so I respect the culture a lot. Yes, sir. My parents are actually going to Hajj this year, bro. I'm so glad. I tried sending them last year. They couldn't get the visa. And my mom literally just I went to my parents' crib yesterday and they showed me that they got the visa for this year. So I'm super excited, super happy for them. That's something I did for them, So makes me feel good about myself. Yo, you do MMA too? I don't, bro. I want to get into it. Eli is here with me, staying for the month, because he's also just fasting with me. Because this was my first Ramadan away from my family, so I'm like, if I need somebody to do it with me. So Eli's been here for the whole month. He's been teaching me stuff. I've never fought before in my life, but it's so fun. I'm still sore. Like we made we're just practicing the balcony, just doing some pad work and stuff. I'm still sore from it. This price action is terrible. Yeah, and I don't plan on taking anything today, honestly. I went into today with the mindset that if I don't see A+, I'm not touching that buy or sell button. Why not move to UAE or what's the other? I don't want to butcher it. I want to move to UAE for the tax purposes. Plus, the country is beautiful. But I think you have to get sponsored by somebody that lives there. My family do know somebody that lived there. It's just I'm still deciding on what I want to do, but moving to Dubai, bro, that'll be fire. War, bro. Well, yeah, right now. I'm not saying right now, but in the future. Probably after my lease is done, probably by next year. Imagine I'm in Dubai, bro. That'll be amazing. The taxes over there will be amazing. I can't wait, honestly. But I don't think you can trade certain prop firms if you're in Dubai. I don't know, because I think they came out with an update. But Puerto Rico, if you move there, you still get 0% tax, and you can trade everything like normal because it's part of U.S. Remember, though, if you move to another country, you still have to pay U.S. taxes unless you relinquish U.S. citizenship. Better tax areas, Puerto Rico, yeah. I'm still gonna have to pay. I can't escape the taxes, bro. If you move to Dubai, do collab with Tate. Yeah, bro. Andrew Tate. Let's go. My stop loss getting moved from -200 to -100. Let's go. I'm trying to see you win that trade, bro. Because I don't think I'm going to get in anything today. Let's see. Yes. Yeah, we're just chopping up, bro. Wait, we need to pick a direction and go that direction. Even around this gap, I don't feel safe taking an entry. I'm probably going to have to wait for this 5 or 15, this 15-minute right here. Tate, the final boss of Chads. Yeah. Take it easy, bro. I'm holding this trade all day, but I gotta go to work. See you later. God bless. Stay strong with that fast. Hey, at least have a great rest of your day, bro. I appreciate the kind words. I'll see you, bro. Let me know how the trade goes for you, though. Well, actually, I don't know because I'll watch the charts, but still. Realistically, my entry would have been 785 for some longs because it's just I just don't like. We did pick a side. We're about 200 points away. I don't know though. It's just iffy. How big is this gap from this? 50 points, yeah. Got you, big bro. Entries at 685. TB at 142. Alright, bet. 685. Holy, broke at the bottom. That's fire. Who knows? Maybe we just have to be patient today. Maybe PM moves. Maybe it doesn't. From the looks of it, I mean, not a big fan of price today. Ooh, wait, we can do the Wordle. Let's get this out the way. What? Not a single letter? Oh, I'm cooked. Brother, what is this word? I don't know. Yo, I can't get a single letter. Is that actually insane? What are you doing? I'm back up. I'm back up. I'm back up. Yo, y'all need to help me out with this, bro. I can't come up with anything. I guess I'm on my own. I don't know where Ben's at. Ben is usually my savior. Ben helps me. Every word that I want to use has all these letters, and I can't use them. What's price doing? Price is consolidating. What is ES doing? ES is also consolidating. Funky. Oh my god. Yo. Fishy. Alright, how about this? You just finish this out, bro. You just literally gave me everything. Probably punky. Hunky. I'm gonna try punky. No, 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 no. What am I doing? Hunky. No. Oh, no, no. We're at the last. We're literally at the last guess. Gunky? Hunky? Junkie? Bro, it could be junkie. No! I lost. Bro, this is my first time losing, and I don't remember the last time I did not get the Wordle. Bro, I could have sworn it was junkie. Damn, bro. That sucks. Bro, Fishy gave me the literal lob of the lifetime, and I couldn't capitalize, bro. Sorry, Fishy. If ES starts breaking out, we will know. Yeah, honestly, like longs do not look bad here. It's just the delivery. I would have guessed junkie too, possibly hunky. Probably hunky, yeah. It's whatever. But yeah, it's about to be 10:30. I don't really see anything I feel like taking today. So I'm probably just gonna call it here, yo. This whole week, I mean, I took one trade break even yesterday. And that's just been cash, honestly. I don't want to ruin my weekend by taking an L today. So basically just gonna sit out and go on about my day. Once you still get taxed, even if you live in a different country, you have to denounce your citizenship. You'll say, yeah. Okay, well, never mind. We're okay. ES is breaking out. Maybe I need to stay on for longer, I guess. Okay. I guess so. It's okay, man. It happens, I guess. Wow, I can't believe I lost the Wordle. Okay. I'm going to set another limit for right here. I took one L this week. I shouldn't have even taken the trade yesterday. I entered and realized that my setup didn't actually hit. I was a little salty. It happens. Need ES to break out of here. Honestly, the one trade that I probably would take, if you do get it, will probably be around here. We still have about 90 points to go. Should I wait till that, or do I call it here, y'all? Let me know. Because around here, I mean, around this gap, I don't feel like taking anything. This is just to like solidify trend. Obviously, we're in a bullish trend right now. So it's honestly up to y'all. We could do whatever. Yeah, I got like 5 trade loss, but all of them are $30. I have 4 trade wins, but they're like $80. Dude, how many trades are you taking? In trading, bro, you have to go in and just take like 1 trade a day, if that, bro. That's it. Over time, you're gonna realize that taking less trades is beneficial than taking more trades. I kind of want to wait for these longs, though. I kind of want to wait for these longs, bro. Damn, I had my setup around 676, but got scared and didn't take it. It would have cooked. Well, yeah, 676. Where is it? Dude, around here? Holy. I personally wouldn't take anything around here because of all the consolidation that's happening. But I mean, we did pick a direction and we're just running that way, you know. So we need ES to pump it up. We need NQ to, go towards this gap. Maybe we can take a trade. We're about 90 points away or so. It's not about PR, it's about consistency and expectancy. It's better to have a win rate of 45%, expectancy of 3R plus than a win rate of 80% by expectancy of plus 0.5R. Yeah. Yep. Like going into today, I thought we were just gonna dump because of the market, just the news, but that seemed to be wrong. Just hopped on. Let's see what cluster fuck the market is today. I'm just waiting, bro. My setup is gonna be around here, 907. So we still have about 94 points to go. I'm just patiently waiting for it. Yo, why did I go on my Discord and the first thing I see is we slamming Zayn, bro? Yo, what? Chill on me, boys. Chill on me. Okay. We need ES to pump. Set another limit right here just to see. Because if ES somehow starts dumping, it's going to bring NQ down and, I'm just not going to have anything to take. We're just consolidating again, bro. Dude, this market is terrible. It's 15 minutes about to close. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, it sucks, bro. Just not doing anything, honestly. There we go. Pump back up. Wow, what a reaction. See if he gets 848 here. High this candle. All right, yes, it's pumping. Damn, if I would have took the century, 56 points. Yo, bro, I blew my account and I'm trying to reactivate it, but the transaction keeps failing. What do I do? You can just reset it, right? Are you on Tradeify or? I'm on Top Step. On Top Step, I'm not really sure. I haven't been on their new dashboard, but you should be able to just buy a new one, honestly. Okay, we are ripping up. Okay, we might get an entry here soon. We might actually. Okay, NQ is ripping. ES is ripping. Let's see if we keep on pushing up. We're about to tap into this 5-minute on ES. See how we react to that. Take the rest of the day off and come back level-headed Monday. It wouldn't even let me buy. Am I freaking banned from trading? Nah, I don't think you're banned. I don't know what you're doing wrong though. I wish I could help you out, bro, but I don't trade Top Step anymore. But yeah, guys, I mean, I just called it, honestly. I'd rather not take anything than force a setup up here. But yeah, for the week, 1 trade, 1 break even, and that's all she wrote. I'll be live next week. Let's see, when will we be live tomorrow next week? We'll be live Wednesday on. Monday and Tuesday there's no news. I'll probably hop on just a commentary basically, but probably not gonna take anything unless market moves. But Wednesday on, CPI next week, it'll be good. But other than that, y'all have a great day. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all next week.